G'day guys, you're back with Miracle Max. Today we're looking at a Volkswagen Amarok 2018 model with that big V6 3-litre engine in it, heaps of power. But hey, we're not looking at the engine today, we're replacing a cabin filter as usual. Where's it located? Let's have a look. Look, how many of these cabin filters have I done? And of course they're always in behind the glove box. Not this time. This fella's hidden right down up under here. And yes, you can see that cover there. That fella has to come off. Let's get it off and find the cabin filter. I've searched high and low, and the only screw that I can find that's holding in that bottom panel is that bloke right there. Once we get him out, I think the others are just all clipped into place. So I'll pop that down now. And the fella that's going to help us out is a T20 Torx bit. Well, I was kind of right. There's certainly just one screw here, but the other screw, believe it or not, is tucked. Well, it's not in there, but I don't know if you can see it or not. Up in here, over there somewhere where my finger is, up in behind here, the screw comes in from this direction, which means that you'd have to pull down the glove box to get to it, yada, yada, yada. But the good news is, even with the panel just dropped down after that one screw, you've got to wiggle it out with these luggy looking things here and here. We can still access the cabin filter panel, which is located right here. There's one little bolty looking thing there, and there's another bolty looking thing there, so this panel needs to be pulled down. These little guys here are about a 5.5mm or 7/32 size, and once they're done, the little door comes down. Oh, look, I think it might be dirty. What do you think? Just try and get it past here. Yeah, it hasn't been done in a while, guys. Nice. As usual, yep, full of horrible sorts of nasties. Look at that, eh? Just gross. Fortunately, the other side's a lot better, but we're going to do the right thing by the customer, replace it anyway. As usual, not a sponsor, but there's your part number if you're interested, guys. Let's put the new one in. It doesn't appear to be an arrow on this one, as there normally is, telling us which direction it needs to go. I just stick him in this way, should be okay. Slide him in there. In you go, fella. The other one was a little bit tight to get out as well. Just got to get past that. There we go. Nice. In you go, fella. There we go. All done. Now that that's in place, it's just a matter of popping that little panel back in. And you go there, bloke. Nice job. Couple little screws here, and we should be done. Now that the cabin filter trapdoor is in place, this little bloke here, we can now put on our undercover. Now this undercover, as I mentioned, has a couple of little lugs here and here. And this bloke here fits right at there. And this other fella here is sort of tucked away. Don't know if I can get onto that one actually. Let's have a look. Anyway, it's tucked away in back here. There's a little hole just up in here that you can pop that into. And once that panel's back in place, yes, looks like they've been kicking it a bit, hey? We can just tighten up that screw right there. That's that Torx one that we looked at before. Of course, that's all done now, correct? Well, for me personally, I'm going to clean this here. I don't like this. I like to hand it back to the customer in really good condition. And of course, all that debris that fell onto their mat, I'll pull the mat out and give that a really good clean so that I can hand it back to the customer in a really good clean condition. There you go, quick wipe down to that panel. You can see it looks a lot better. And the mat, of course, is nice and clean. A good way to present it to the customer to show them that you really care. There you go, guys, there's another one for your playlist. This time a cabin filter on a VW Amarok 2018 model. I hope that you got some sort of benefit from this video, and if you did and you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like. More than happy to accept any comments down below. So until next time, guys, I've got this service to finish. This is Miracle Max signing off. I will catch you later.